Red coming at you live. Today, we're going to try to switch out this old tachometer for a new one I got. And look how big this thing is. I don't even know if it's going to fit. This thing is massive. I think I might have an issue. Yep. I think I might. I didn't think it could be an issue, but I think it's going to be. Let's see here. Take a look. Well, maybe not. Oh, yeah. Really tight. So I took the old one out. I don't know if that's going to work or not. We'll have to try it. Then I'll take the old one out and then see if we can get this thing to fit. Let's see here. Let's get this air fuel gauge holding on by a rubber band. Look at that. First time. Alright. Get this old one off. And get the new one on. This old one's been on here since the 90s. I think I put it on. Got it at an old Champion Auto. I don't think they're even in business anymore. At least they're not around here. But, yeah, it's been in here for a long time, and it worked great, but now it just kind of hesitates. Every time I try to use it, I'll have it floored, and it'll sit around 3,000 RPM, and then it just kind of hesitates. It flutters down there. And then it'll jump up, you know, when I'm well past where I needed to be shifting already. The thing will finally go up there when I've already shifted, or should have shifted. So we'll this clamp is huge. I think it would take this one off. Got the heater going today. It's about 34 degrees out. It's not too bad, but I figured I'd try to heat it up a little bit in here. Still see my breath. But let's see this big sucker. I don't think it's gonna fit. I think I might be out of luck. Figures about the one that's way too damn big. Steering wheel. I'm going to go too back. Yeah, that's not going to work. That sucks. Bummer, dude. Figures I bought the wrong one. I sure in heck ain't going to put it up here. I mean, what do you do with something? Why is it so big? This thing is massive. Look at this thing. I mean, it's as big as my head. Anyway, now what do I do? Stuck. Well, I guess I won't be doing that right now. This thing's massive. I figured I'd buy the one that's way too big. not going up there. Not going down here. You don't think. Where the hell did he put something this way? Unreal. Well, I'll have to get back to you on this one. I gotta figure out what the hell to do with this thing now. So, I'll have to figure it out and be back soon.